was it was an affirmation. These past 2 weeks, I woke up and I say, I'm going to make this amount. I'm
Yes.
getting over 10,000 today. I'm getting
Yes.
over 15,000 today. And
Yes.
I've hit every single mark.
I love
Today
it.
I woke up, I said, you know what? That's what we're going to go for it. I felt that we were going to have a good green day, and we did.
Awesome, man. Very proud of you. How long have you been with us, Hunzi?
I got with you, I think, the end of August, beginning of September.
Oh, nice. So you've been here a while. That is phenomenal. You've been learning, you've been here with the group, and you had a
Learn?
$50,000 day. Did you ever think that you'd be able to make $50,000 in 2.5 hours?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
That's 50 grand, by the way, for all of you in 2.5 hours right now. I love it.
I used to listen to Jimmy. I was so proud of Jimmy. I couldn't wait to tell him I had one of these days because, he just inspired me, and
Yes.
not to say that you don't, but he
Oh, I
did
get
as
it.
well.
I
And
get
when
it.
I make a trade, I'm like, Jimmy's going to be so proud of me.
Oh,
As
yeah.
dumb as that sounds.
No, it's awesome. I love it. I love it. I love it. I still remember the first day Jimmy made like 6 grand and it was shaking and tearing up and right. And then when he did like six, then 20, then like 50 or 60, like you just did. Then his next time was like over 100. And before you know it, he was doing $1 million days, right?
Yeah.
Good for you. Keep it
Thank
up.
you, sir.
Very proud of you, man. That is
Thank,
what we're
thank you.
about here at American Dream Trading. You got to stay the course. Now listen, Hunzi, if you
Yes.
gave up 3 weeks ago or whenever before you started finding success, could you imagine? Now, here's the weird thing, and this is what I told Jimmy, if you remember. If you would have given up on yourself, you wouldn't even know right now. You'd have just been doing what you were doing before you got here, and you would not have stuck around for the success that you're having now. Could you
Uh,
imagine a different life if you would have said, I'm done?
uh, I'm just taking overtime and working and being
Yep.
in the grind,
Yep.
worrying about how I'm going to pay the bills.
Yep. Good
Yeah,
stuff.
I've got 3 kids, two, all are teenagers now, and one's in college, and the second one's going into college.
Wow.
Yeah, so I'm going to be able to pay off my eldest college tuition within the next week or so.
Oh my
Just
gosh. That's
uh,
awesome.
check paid in full. Don't worry about it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That is champagne popping. Wonderful,